we are gonna do this trailing arm, outer trailing arm bushing, and this lower control arm bushing. So that should be enough room. Yeah, that should be enough room. So let's grab some tools and the concoction I come up with. Grab some lube here. Gonna grab a impact with a 15. And see, once it gets to a certain point, you can just pull it out. Can't believe. See, I never have luck with pressing bushings. Like I'm good at them, right? But you know, the stuff always comes out hard, man. Like not in a good way. Like struggling. I dropped my wrench. Where'd I put it?
A few moments later.
I see you. I see you. Don't worry, guys. It's a lock nut. I'm gonna remove this tow rod. There we go. Come on. I hope you guys can see. Okay, yeah, dropped it down. Put the caliper right there. That's where you're gonna live. In there. Oh, must have done it this way. Really, George? Use your brain there, Skippy. I swear on the other side I went through this way. I mean, if I gotta bend the backing plate, I don't really mind at all. Oh yeah, I forgot I notched that many moons ago for something similar to this. Whoa. All right, give it a. I feel you coming. That's what she said. Anyway, this side's a 18. I should know that. Now we'll grab a 15. We'll swap. I guess that's all. There it goes. All it wants to go. All right. I'll grab the. Yeah. Good job, my guy. Yeah. That will go back in my toolbox. Gonna clean up the inside. Squeaking. grab our bushings. I am a dealer for BMR, guys, so if you guys need anything, give us a call. This should be a rear lower control arm. Okay, and then this is the trailing arm. So I'm going to show you guys how I put these in. Trailing arm. So you just want to get it started straight. This one's going in nice. Alright, that one's all the way down. Yep, there's a little thing of schmoo. Gonna hold this bushing from the back side. There it goes, went right in. All right. Take some schmoo in here. Come on, Junior. All right. Once that's started, take you some. And then you just gotta feel it. You gotta walk it in. No, this does not hurt the bushing. Does it make it dirty? Yes, but I have a solution for that. I'll show you guys in a second. Alright, so that's all the way down. Take you some of this magic sauce, secret recipe here, and you just give a little wipe down there. And it is good as new. It does not tear into the bushing whatsoever. Might leave a little mark, but these bushings are so tough that it's usually not gonna. All right, take this guy. He lives over here. Stay. Good boy. Okay. Grab the second bushing. Again, just want these to start straight. Especially when you're putting them in by hand like that. And then, let's see, just give it a shorten this bad boy up. Bang. Bang. Alright, that side's in. Grab our, what's going on in there? BMR. What was that? Put this John in there. Just kidding. Give this a click. Torqued to spec. Alright. Don't play fucking games here, buddy. Yeah. That's tight, my guy. I hear a Corvette, and I'm gonna assume it is Lake. Oh, it's Lake. I know it is. 1000% it is. Put $5 on it. Yep. You guys want to guess what color the car is? If you haven't guessed already. That boy is blue. All right, that's all we got. Everything else is undisclosed, people. You can't see the rest of the car. You're not allowed to. Well, you'll see my truck. Adios.